Ta-da! We come back. So after replace that diode, looks like it's still not working. When I measured again, there is a power input and power output, and the magnetron is warm, and the water inside is heated. Just the machine is too quiet, and the fan is not running. It's just like not working at all. Since the water is heated, so the magnetron is working. So we found another problem. The fan is not working. I think the board was damaged because the fan wasn't run and the board was overheated. This cooling fan looks much bigger than original fan. Now we are going to check this common issue, bad fan. First we're going to check the connector for the fan. See if the fan has a power input. Usually it's city voltage, 220 volts in China. Some of the microwave has 30 volts input. Then you need to check the manual. After that, we're going to unplug the wire. We're going to use 100 ohm scale. It looks like it is broken. The coil is broken. This is a common issue with these microwaves. The coil wire is too thin like hair. Normally, they are broken from the connector. Usually at the connector, the wire broken. We just need to find it out and solder them back on. Look at here, they're usually broken by the vibration. After the fan stopped working, inside board getting overheated and it's broken down. Now we have 450 ohms. Okay, now we put the water inside the microwave, put everything back. Let's power it up. Let's try use my finger to block the fan and see what happens. It's very quiet. It's almost nothing. It doesn't like the other microwave making a loud noise. That's why I thought it didn't work. That really scares me. Yeah, the water is hot.